which I generally will deal to all of you. Then I will proceed in other subject, but the main subject is pharmacology, what I am going to deal with. That pharmacology is the one of the main subject in that. In that pharmacology, in step wise, you have to study it in semester. In semester 4, you have pharmacology 1. In semester 5, you have pharmacology 2. And in semester 3, pharmacology 3. But before starting in pharmacology, in first, second and third semester, you have to study different other subjects which are related to pharmacology. The first subject what you have to study in first sem related to pharmacology is human anatomy and physiology. That means in pharmacology, what we are going to deal, what is the drug, how it is going to work in our body. That is human anatomy subject that we are going to study in first sem. In first sem, in human anatomy, what we are going to study, how our body is acting to drug. Means in pharmacology, what we have studied about drug, how drug is going to act in our body, how different organ will act on that drug, how that different drug will work in different organ in our body, how that organ will proceed that work, how that drug is going to work. All these things we have to study in pharmacology. For that, first thing we have to need anatomy, how human body is reacting to this. Means different type of human anatomy and physiology part we have to study. In that, what we have respiratory, we have GIT, gastrointestinal line, we have different inflammation healing system, we have autoimmune system. In that, where human body itself works as a drug. Here we have no record of drug taking from outside. Our body generally himself act as a drug and fight against different disease. So in human anatomy, फर्स्ट हम लोगों को पढ़ना है डिफरेंट ऑर्गन कैसे बॉडी में काम करता है, उसका फिजियोलॉजी क्या है, किधर रहता है, कैसा रहता है, डिफरेंट सिस्टम्स क्या है हम लोगों का बॉडी में. उसके अंदर आता है आपका रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम आता है, गैस्ट्रोइंटेस्टाइनल सिस्टम आता है, डिफरेंट बॉडी का खुद का मैकेनिज्म होता है, कैसे वो खुद के बॉडी में डील करता है. ऑटो इम्यूनिटी होता है जिसमें बॉडी खुद इम्यूनिटी के तरह वर्क करता है, खुद ड्रग की जरूरत नहीं पड़ता, खुद ही ड्रग जैसे ही खुद ही डिफरेंट डिजीज के मुकाबला करता है खुद ही बॉडी से. तो डिफरेंट के बारे में पढ़ना है. सबसे मेन बारे में पढ़ना है जीआईटी इज गैस्ट्रोइंटेस्टाइनल ट्रैक्ट. व्हाट विल हेल्प in studying different pharmacokinetics property of drugs. Means how body is reacting to drug, how it is going to absorb, metabolize, distribute, eliminate. About all these things we are going to study in GIT space. So